The Ryzen 7 9800X3D is an absolute gaming monster, but it's also a chip that likes to stay cool to keep those boost clocks steady. The 3D V-cache makes it sensitive to temperature spikes, and while it doesn't draw extreme power, a solid cooler helps you hold consistent performance with less noise. So let's look at which AIOs actually make sense for this CPU across every budget, and which ones are worth skipping. First, we have the budget options. At the entry level, a few AIOs fight for the best balance between price, noise, and long-term reliability. You've got the Thermalright Frozen Note 360, the ID Cooling FX360 INF, and sometimes even the Arctic Liquid Freezer 360 when it drops on sale. All three can handle the Ryzen 7 9800X3D without hitting thermal limits, but they differ in how they sound and how easy they are to live with. The Thermalright Frozen Note 360 is the simplest, a big 360mm radiator, dual-chamber pump, and 3 ARGB fans that get loud at full tilt, but cool surprisingly well for the money. It doesn't have fancy cabling or software, but the performance per dollar is hard to ignore. The ID Cooling FX360 INF is the bare minimum 360mm option. Fine for budget gaming rigs if you're okay with a little more fan noise. It trades aesthetics and pump smoothness for raw value. Then there's Arctic Liquid Freezer 360. It usually costs more than those two, but during discounts, it slides right into the same range and immediately stands out. The 38mm thick radiator and integrated VRM fan keeps socket temps stable during long gaming sessions. Arctic also routes fan cables through the sleeved tubing, so the area around the CPU looks clean and airflow stays unobstructed. So in the budget tier, the pick that makes the most sense is the Thermalright Frozen Note 360. It's the easiest way to get 360mm cooling on a tight budget without compromising thermals. The only real downside is the fan tone at higher speeds, so just set a reasonable curve and you'll be fine. If your case can't fit a 360mm, check out Lian Li's Galahad 2 Trinity Performance 240. It's one of the strongest 240mm units tested this year, and fits smaller mid-towers while keeping noise low. Now, if you've got a little more room in your budget, and you care about quieter operation, cleaner cable management, or a more refined look, the mid-range AIOs are where you'll find the best overall balance for this CPU. At this level, you're comparing heavy hitters like the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 or 3 Pro 360, Cooler Master Master Liquid 360 Atmos, and Be Quiet Light Loop 360. These are the units that consistently keep gaming temps in the mid-50s degrees Celsius while staying nearly silent with proper fan curves. The Cooler Master 360 Atmos is the well-rounded pick for builders who value design and quiet performance. It uses single-flow edge fans with smooth bearings, keeps pump noise low, and includes thoughtful extras like a customizable top cover and 5-year warranty. The Be Quiet Light Loop 360 shifts the focus toward acoustic refinement. Its Silent Wings 4 fans and understated RGB produce some of the lowest noise levels in its class. And then there's Arctic's Liquid Freezer 360, which frankly outperforms most of them where it counts: raw cooling efficiency and noise. In testing, it consistently matches or beats high-end coolers while running quieter and costing less. The thick radiator and high static pressure fans move a ton of air at modest speeds, and the small VRM fan adds extra stability around the socket area. That's why the Arctic Liquid Freezer 360 stands as the best overall choice for the Ryzen 7 9800X3D. It balances everything you actually care about: cooling, noise, cable management, and warranty length. If you prefer something that looks cleaner out of the box or has richer RGB customization, the Cooler Master Master Liquid 360 Atmos is the better-looking alternative with near-identical performance. For quieter, more subtle builds, the Be Quiet Light Loop 360 remains a close second thanks to its excellent acoustic behavior. And for small cases, Arctic's 240mm or 280mm versions still carry the same thick core DNA, so you don't lose much performance when you downsize. Moving on, if you're building a high-end rig and want absolute silence or top-shelf aesthetics, something that looks as good as it performs, this is where the premium AIOs come in. At the top end, you're deciding between highly engineered 360s and massive 420s that emphasize silence over raw fan speed. The Be Quiet Silent Loop 3 420, EK Nucleus CR360 Lux, and NZXT Kraken Elite 360 are the standouts today. The Silent Loop 3 420 is the quiet performance champion. It uses three 140mm Silent Wings 4 fans and a redesigned 3-chamber pump that nearly eliminates high-frequency noise. In tests, it ranks among the coolest and quietest 420mm AIOs ever built, and if your case can fit it, nothing else keeps the 9800 X3D this cool while staying so quiet. EK's Nucleus CR360 Lux takes a different approach. It's a premium 360mm AIO with polished build quality, daisy-chainable OmniLink fans, and a clean, rotatable pump top. The cooling performance is excellent, only a few degrees behind the larger 420s, but you pay for the materials and design precision. Then there's NZXT's Kraken Elite 360, the go-to for builders who want an LCD display and full software integration. It's slightly louder under load, but the customization options and NZXT cam control make it the most visually interactive cooler here. So the Be Quiet Silent Loop 3 420 earns the top premium recommendation. It delivers the best blend of noise control, cooling capacity, and long-term reliability, provided your case has the room. If you're aiming for a premium 360mm with beautiful finish and easy wiring, go for the EK Nucleus CR360 Lux. And if you want that LCD flare or deep software control, the NZXT Kraken Elite 360 is your best option. Of course, cooler size and layout matter just as much as brand choice. Before picking any of these, check your case dimensions and airflow path. Most mid-towers comfortably support a 360mm radiator up top or in front, and that's the sweet spot for the 9800 X3D. If you're running a compact case, stick with 240mm AIOs like the Galahad 2 Trinity Performance 240 or Cooler Master 240 Atmos, both tested to handle 120-watt loads easily. If silence is your main goal, focus on larger 420mm models like Be Quiet's Silent Loop 3 420. Those extra 140mm fans let you run at lower RPMs while maintaining excellent temps. RGB enthusiasts can lean towards EK's Nucleus CR360 Lux or the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 ARGB, both offering subtle lighting without overdoing it. And if you're chasing a minimalist clean look, the non-RGB version of the Arctic LF3 or Be Quiet Light Loop give that stealth aesthetic with quieter profiles. No matter which one you choose, all of these AIOs are fully AM5 compatible, include offset mounts optimized for Ryzen, and will keep the 9800 X3D comfortably below throttle limits even under heavy gaming or stress tests.